Hello there. Before I start, I just want to say thank you again to my subscribers who support me. I know you haven't seen as much of me checking out your channels in the last few weeks. That is because we have finally got summer here in New Zealand. Really beautiful, cloudless, sunny days, which I am getting out and enjoying. So I'm spending little time in front of my computer. More time of course in my art room, so I am getting there and checking out your videos. It's just not quite as much. I'll get back into it again properly as the weather cools. Today I am using my version of a split cup again, my lid from my my varnish can. And I'm just going to do a pattern, pour pattern onto my black paint which has been put down onto my canvas to see what I can make. So I'll get started now. Well, that's certainly been an experiment for me, using the DecoArt Extreme Sheen colours the way I have. They're pretty, but I don't think they are quite as defining as my regular paints. So I'm going to be interested to see how this actually dries, because of the sheen of the colours I'm picking. It's actually going to be very pretty. So that was a little experiment for me to see how those colours worked together in a split cup type style pour. So that's it for me. I will bring it up to the camera now for a quick look so you can see closer. But there's not much really going on other than what you can already see. There's some wispiness, and of course I got rid of most of the black, if not all of it, to leave just the colours from the cup. So as I said, I will add this to the end of my video once it's dried so you can see how it's turned out. And that's it for me for today. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.